Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we're going to be working on another Beebeecraft kit. So I will pop a link to the unboxing up in the eye. The first thing I'm adding to this kit is some metallic thread because this kit only really comes with the basics for what we're going to be doing today. However, it does come with some absolutely beautiful crystals, some rainbow gems and some silver effect charms. What it doesn't give you is whatever fixing materials you're going to be wanting to use to turn these items into gorgeous window hangings, rainbow catchers, sun catchers. Yeah, I am really looking forward to creating something with this and hope that you will join me for the journey. The metallic thread that I'm using has got quite a good structure, so I'm not going to use a needle at this stage. It's just a matter of choosing which of the larger crystals I want to be the sort of statement drop at the end, and then I'm going to thread on the other decorative beads. This way of creating these hanging charms or catchers is probably the simplest. I realise here, of course, that the thread is so gossamer fine it is almost impossible to see, but it is there. The fact that it's so fine does mean that if you wanted to, you could easily create some sort of illusion with gaps between the beads so that they appear to be hanging in mid-air. And that can be quite an effective way to use this very fine thread. If you can't get hold of metallic thread, then you could use fishing line or nylon cord, or you could of course use chain or even embroidery thread. Each will provide a slightly different effect. But this is what I had. This is what I have previously used for hanging these kind of window crystals. So that's what we're doing today. So it's just a matter of choose your end crystal, tie it securely, and then thread on the decorative crystals as you go. This first one I've decided to just use one of everything that I've got, see how the colours look together and get a real sort of rainbow style or look going. I'm adding in one of the silver charms using exactly the same thread, just tying it with a secure double knot and then starting again with new thread from the other side of the charm. At this length it would actually make a really nice bag charm or key ring, and I think that would be a nice alternative use for the items in this kit if you don't want to make all of them into window hangers. Finishing off at the very end with a split ring to provide some way of hanging it above a window. And there we have it, first one all done, and I'm really pleased with how it came out. And now I just repeat the process for the other jewels as well. For some of the heavier statement crystals I doubled up the thread just to provide a little bit more strength as they are quite heavy, but the basic process is the same all the way through. I will show you some pictures of these ones once they are finished, but I will not show you the whole process because it is basically me threading beads onto very fine silver string. And there we go, beautiful
rainbow sun catchers ready to hang. There are still plenty of beads and trinkets left in the kit, so I will be able to make more or use them for other projects in the future. I think for the £6 that I paid for this, it is well worth it and is the perfect addition for any crafter's kit. So thank you for joining me for this today. Please do remember to check out Beebeecraft. Use my code, which is on the screen now, to save yourself a little bit extra. Do remember to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Pop over to Facebook, find us at the Crafty Coven, and if you'd like to, you can always support the channel more directly on Patreon. On that note, a huge thanks to those who already support me there. You mean the absolute world. So that's all from me for today. I will see you again in the next one, and until then, stay crafty.